Okay. See, the ideas all come. You really don't think I'm a genius, born genius and all. Only thing, you get involved in any incident happens. Something, it impacts me. It impacts me, what happens, immediately think about it. When I think about it, it gets into my inner conscious, probably contacts other world, get me the answer. That's all. One day a postman came. He told me, sir, I have a request to make to you. He said, I'm a postman studying in a corporation school. I want my son to get good education. What do you want, father? I asked him. He said, I want admission for my son in Don Bosco. I said, I thought we'll be able to afford that. I thought, why not I even help him for his son's tuition? Then I took him to Don Bosco. I convinced the principal, got him the admission. He was very happy. Next day he came with a sweet box and thanked me. After 1 month he came and met me. Gloom was written on his face. Gloom was written. I said, what happened to you? Why are you sad? Already you got admission for your son in Don Bosco. He said, that's not, I got a bad news. What is it? My son wants a pair of shoes. I said, what is difficult in getting a pair of shoes? Only he wants a shoes. He told a very popular brand. He said, 3,000 rupees a pair of shoes. I am wearing Hawaii rubber slipper. How can I afford it? I understood his predicament. The father with great difficulty, a postman. A postman has to go to every house. He has to cross hurdles like dogs and go and deliver letter. And he has a beautiful idea of getting his best education for his son. Son doesn't know father's pain. He wants a pair of shoes. That gave me a spark. Why children are like this? Why not we teach them simplicity? So, this is called, I named it as principled simplicity. Principled simplicity. So, principled simplicity means that simplicity not out of anything, not because you're miser, not because you have no money or you become bankrupt. The point is simplicity because you're wedded to the idea of simplicity. Take the 200 greatest men of the world, even our teachers of One World Academy. You take all the great people. You take Prophet Muhammad, Jesus Christ, Swami Vivekananda, Buddha, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, all great people. Mahatma Gandhi, Abdul Kalam, Abraham Lincoln. They are all different by color, the religion, the language. They are all same. They are all personification of simplicity. So simplicity itself, there are so many aspects. But I am talking about material simplicity. There's behavioral simplicity, food simplicity, thought simplicity. Another one, procedural simplicity. But people should take all simplicity in their life, but at least to begin with material simplicity. So we have an organization called Principled Simplicity. I told you about voluntary sacrifice. Like that, principled simplicity. So if you make simplicity as a principle of life, not for under compulsion, make way of life, I tell you that your life will be happy. Just see who are targeted in Bombay and other cities. People who showcase their jewels, book a mobile jewel shop, show their cars, Benz. They are by the kidnappers, the thieves and all. So lead a simple life. Thiruvallur, how simple he was. So Principled Simplicity is another organization. I want to talk about an answer which I found, which is very important than all these things. This is what's called Kisan Jahan. Today we are going to have a serious shortage of food. Why? I asked the question to myself. I got the answer. The reason is that, I told you already, there are many reasons like external reason. Internal reason, farmers are getting disillusioned with farming. Farming is no more an attraction, because farming, there are so many challenges. You have to plow the land, you must get seeds, you must get seedlings, you must get rain, you must get water, you must get fertilizer, you must get pesticide, you must harvest. When you harvest, you must get price for that. Not one challenge. Even a school boy, within a year, he has 3 exams. But a farmer has dozen exams before he passes his exam. And unfortunate thing today, the youth are not willing to join the father. They see film heroes, they want to wear jeans and look like film heroes. They feel below the duty to put their leg on slush. You don't get workers for farming activity. This background I was pondering over. So I went and happened to attend a meeting in Mysore. The Mysore farmers called me and they all said their, plight. And it was a spontaneous response from me. They said the reason is a father dies, he has 4 sons. The 4 sons divide the land, they put some bunds between the 4 land. Then comes 4 wells, 4 pair of bullocks. Everything they come one by, and all replication, duplication. I told, it is spontaneous. I said, remove the bunds in the mind, the bunds in the land will disappear. That's all I told. I don't know how I told. You won't believe, it gave birth to the best farm in India. It's called Imavat Farm in Mysore. 120 acres have been acquired by 10 farmers. They made it to one piece of land. They used machines. They modernized it, introduced crop rotation, intercrop, intracrop and all. Of course, they thanked me. They kept a board thanking me. Now, collective farm, the advantage is you need only one well. Go to the lowest level of the land, create a watershed. Let the water be there. Everything, there's a kind of, you have one transformer is enough. You have one tractor. You have one, where you get the paddy out of what you have harvested. I think they've done it. So we are replicating it. Already we started replicating in Parani. We have bought 500 acres. And one more thing I want to say while I talk this, I want to appeal to the people who see this video. Immediate action is needed. Because our great Valluvar said, the great men are the farmers, others should go worshipping the farmers. The farmers give us food. But farmers, if they lose interest, it's not they'll be affected, we also be affected. What we need to do, the farmers should unite. Karl Marx said, workers of the world unite. So I am telling, farmers of the world unite. So therefore that I looked why the farmers are united. The main reason are the politicians. What they have done, they divided the farmers. The name of Karnataka farmers, Tamil Nadu farmers, Kerala farmers, Uttar Pradesh farmers, Maharashtra farmers, Gujarat farmers. Actually, it's very bad. Farmers should not have got divided. But why they got divided? For a silly thing called water. I'm not calling water silly. That excuse is silly. I went to Israel and USA. They all say the water, what we use is, we are suffocating plant by water. We are using 10 times more water. Israel there's no water. But they get the best yield. Less water is enough. Actually, it's not want of water management. I want to tell you, the water you get from your toilet, it's called black water. You can bacterially treat it as a clean water. Use it for a farm, which you are doing in Trichy. Then the water from your cellage or grey water from your wash place, when you wash rice and vegetables. Straight jacket for plants, you can water it. It's called grey water. Then bathroom water, white water, it has a phosphate in it. If you have 3-4 plants, cannas, colocasia with root, with bulbs in its root, they absorb them. So the entire wastewater can be treated. And you allow all rainwater which falls on your town go to sea, and then you want to treat sea water to drink. Come on, I don't understand. Why not we do rain harvesting? We call it source rainwater harvesting, decentralized rainwater harvesting, centralized rainwater. What is centralized? There's a big pond. See, all the water go there in the village. There can't be water shortage at all. So the farmers, what they should do, they have dozen problems. One is water. Because of water, they are divided. When I go to other Indian states, I'm from Tamil Nadu. If I go as person of Tamil Nadu, I may be respected or may not be respected. When I went to another state, I went as Comrade Nirmal because I'm a trade union leader once. When I said trade union leader, all the trade union people hugged me. I went to another state, I went as a Rotarian. When I went as a Rotarian, they never saw me watch my mother tongue, my religion, caste. They hugged me. Like that, I changed my name actually, I want to say. I changed my name as Nirmal Kisan. We should not have Yadavs, Mudaliyar, Chettiar, Reddyar, Naidu as suffix to our name. We should have Kisan. According who can be Kisan? Not only farmers. Anybody, you even grow a brinjal plant in house, you are a Kisan. Suppose you have a terrace garden, you are a Kisan. Anybody grows some plant is a Kisan. That is all, the world, entire world become Kisans. We are all one tribe, Kisan. So Kisan movement I started already. I want people to put Kisan before their name. And Nirmal is my name, so Nirmal Kisan. I also added a prefix to my name, also I want to share with you. It's called GPIN. You can understand what is GPIN. It's another small management technique. Very long time, I was a great follower of Mahatma Gandhi. I want to become a Gandhi. Somebody said, don't become Gandhi. I said, why? You may get killed. But Gandhi means embodiment of kindness, love, non-violence. But unfortunately, we forgot another hero of freedom struggle. This purposely I want to talk to you all about another hero. The coincidence was he was also born in Gujarat, where Mahatma Gandhi was born. His name is Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. You know, Gandhi is half a circle. The other half a circle is Patel. Gandhiji got freedom, but we had a problem, 384 small kingdoms and samasthanams. And the kings and samasthanams would not join India. Patel went, the Iron Man. He threatened them, got them merged with India. Patel. So what is GPIN? I tell the youngsters, be always a Gandhi. 90% be Gandhi. When it warrants, you change your cap. Wear Patel cap. Become assertive. Politely firm and firmly polite. Where you don't get, not always, get justice. GPIN. How do you like this idea? But I want to say something very fantastic. Bottom line. Gandhi was Gandhi, he was never Patel. Patel, he was never Gandhi. If you become Gandhi, you know, I told you already, that you may get killed. If you become Patel, you may have no friends. So Gandhi was not Patel, Patel was not Gandhi. But you can be both. You have a great opportunity. Two greatest world model for leadership, whom I follow in my life. Very long time I was Gandhi, I was a great achiever. Once I also became Patel, I am 100% successful. So why should you have so many people put a prefix, so many clubs they join? Why not you all put GPIN, then your name, then Kisan? You know, become one with the country. Say, I am born in Tamil Nadu, but take two leaders as my role model, Gandhi and Patel, greatest leaders. And recently there's an article in Deccan Chronicle, a big article, how a poor unsung hero was Patel, and all Patel sacrifices. And this is, you know, they say that Patel had he become Prime Minister. India would have been I don't know about it, but it's politics. But I want to say, you have great models like Gandhi and Patel. Why not we follow these qualities? I want to say one more infection. If people become Gandhi and Patel, they'll never become militants. They'll never become extremists. Because these two qualities will take them to the destination. There's a film called Onion. It's a very beautiful film. I know you never see film. I saw the TV. This one Vikram acted. I'll tell you, he's one of the world's best actors. He's a Brahmin. A Brahmin character, very afraid of everybody. But when you see atrocity, the split personality, he becomes a kind of a, I don't know how to describe. He's become a villainy character. It's called Onion. Onion means a foreigner. He kills the people. Same, it comes as three characters. Another romantic character. But what I'm trying to say, the third option is Onion. I don't recommend you. But I recommend you to become a Gandhi and Patel. Practice the virtues of the two greaters. Become a GPIN. I assure you, 100% you will succeed. In many places we are turned down without any reason or rhyme or justice. You put your leg straight on the land and ask them why this is being denied. You ask them. Think of Patel. Let Patel dawn on you. 100%. I have achieved 100% result. Even without telling my name, who am I? I asked the question, why this is not given to me? When I asked that, the person I found, because my tone has changed, it's more assertive. It's not, I'm not a beggar to beg. I'm assertive. Assertive means not arrogance. You're not arrogant. So GPIN, a very great pleasure sharing GPIN. How do you like it? Good? We have some 200 concepts